Good morning, Lord. This is our second day at New Clark City, Pampanga. And this is the view overlooking our hotel room. There are more buildings here. I'm not sure if these are empty or occupied, but there's construction happening, which is they're doing the parking lots. So anyway, we are glad we're able to stay here, which is all free. Free hotel, free food, and also free pickup. They picked us up from the airport to the hotel. And then as soon as we arrive at the airport, they give us breakfast, because we arrive around 4:30 in the morning, March 8th. And so probably the time right now is past 6 o'clock, because they just knocked on our door to give our breakfast, which is champorado. Here's our breakfast, and they gave us 2 packs of coffee. So and here is our room. I'll give you a little tour. It's a little messy right now because we just woke up, and according to my husband, this is probably 6 by 6. The room is 6 by 6. So there are 2 beds.
No,
Junior 16 by 16, I'm sorry. 16 by 16. So there are 2 beds. I think these are junior size. They're not twin size. So and this is the entrance, which we cannot open because cameras are all over, and all over the hallway, because I asked them if I can walk around during when I'm bored or something at the hallway. They said, what did you say, Rob? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna eat first because my champorado is getting cold. There's no microwave here, so okay. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. Ngayon po, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong itsura ng hallway. May mga chairs sa harap ng door ng rooms. Dito po nila dinadrop yung pagkain. Kakatok lang sila, and then idadrop na yung pagkain. Tsaka na sila aalis, hindi mo man sila makikita. Tapos, libre nga yung breakfast, lunch, merienda at dinner. So ayan po, ito po yung room namin, nasa dulo. Ayan ang end of the building. Ayun yung terrace, ang laki-laki, pero hindi ka pwedeng lumabas dito sa hallway kasi daw makikita ka sa camera, plus malalakaw ka or magri-ring yung yung bell or something. So eto, tinanong ko kung pwede akong sumilip, pero wag lang daw akong lalabas, hanggang pinto lang ako. So eto, pinapakita ko po sa inyo yung hallway kung saan nila dinadrop yung aming meals. So ito, bakante itong room na to. So pag nakasara, that means may mga tao. So ganyan. So, dito po kami sa second floor. Hindi ko alam kung ilan floors ito. Kasi kagabi, narinig ko yung sa third floor, may lumabas, na lockout siya. So, hindi siya makapasok. So, anyway, goodbye for now. I'll keep you updated, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye. Good morning mga kabalen! Welcome to my vlog. Today is our day 3 of quarantine. We are quarantined here at the New Clark City, Tarlac, Pampanga.
This program is being provided by the Pampanga Governor, Governor Dennis Pineda. Nagsimula po itong Balik Pinas, Balik Pampanga last July 2020. Matatapos na daw po siya sa March 31st, 2021. So meaning, lahat nung yung Kapampangan na gustong mag-travel before March 31st, pwede po kayong mag-apply pa. At least 10 days prior to your departure. So ang gagawin lang po ninyo ay pumunta sa kanilang website. Ang pangalan ng website nila is Balik Pinas, Balik Pampanga .ph. So, i-download lang po ninyo yung apps nila. Tapos, fill up pa ninyo yung mga, yung form nila doon, which is very easy. Self-explanatory lang po. Tapos, i-download din po ninyo yung travel documents niyo kagaya ng passport, airline ticket, yung hindi ko matandaan kung kailangan yung birth certificate. Pero andun po lahat. So, i-upload lang po ninyo dun sa app nyo yung mga forms na yon. So, madali naman po silang mag-approve if all the documents are complete. So, yun po ang gawin nyo. Mag-register lang po kayo sa kanilang website. Tapos pagka-register po ninyo, mag-register din po kayo sa Red Cross, yung ECIF. So, para dun yun sa swab test. Pero yung swab test, wala pong bayad. Provided din po ng governor sa program ng Balik Pinas, Balik Pampanga. Tsaka yung pagbaba ninyo ng eroplano, meron na silang mga tauhan na may banner nakasulat Balik Pinas, Balik Pampanga. Sila lang po ang puntahan ninyo kasi hindi na po kayo kailangan mag-line dun sa mga OFWs or non-OFWs at saka sa mga Coast Guard at saka yung sa Red Cross. Sila na po ang bahala, ibibigay lang po ninyo yung mga documents ninyo sa kanila. Kailangan yung mga documents po ninyo ready bago kayo mag-fly. Yun lang po. Tapos yung pagsundo po nila sa inyo, libre din po yung van or bus. Wala po kayong babayaran. Ihahatid po kayo sa quarantine hotel, which is dito sa Athletes Village, New Clark City, Tarlac City, Pampanga. So, pagkadating po ninyo, may sasalubong sa inyong nurse para i-check yung temperature nyo at saka mag-fill out po kayo ng mga forms, yung health forms nyo. Once na na-complete na niyo yung form, ihahatid na po kayo sa room nyo. Ngayon, yung pagkapasok po ninyo sa room nyo, hindi na po kayo makakalabas kasi may mga camera all over the hallway kasi stringent quarantine ito. So, ang gagawin nyo ay mag-stay lang po kayo ng 7 days sa hotel kasi yun po ang protocol. Ang sabi po sa amin, sa day 6, which is March 13, is-swab na po kami. Okay, maraming salamat po. Good morning! This is our day 5. So ngayon po, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung checklist for emergency na dinala namin. So kasi nandito kami dito sa facility, quarantine facility dito sa Pampanga. So baka sakali na kaming nagdala ng mga ibang gamit in case na wala po dito. Anyway, ito, gawa po kayo ng checklist kagaya ng shampoo, cream rinse, wipes, face mask, face shields kasi protocol dito na laging nakasuot ng face mask at saka face shields. So, kung sakasakaling malakas kayo gumamit ng mga toilet paper or paper towel, magandang magdala rin na rin po kayo. So, ito, nagdala po kami ng sarili naming paper towel at saka toilet seat cover at saka yung mga wipes, sanitizing wipes, hand sanitizing lotion, alcohol, at saka Lysol spray or Lysol wipes. Nagdala din po kami ng Tylenol in case na sasakit ang ulo nyo or masakit ang pakiramdam nyo. Nagdala din po kami ng allergy pills in case na may allergy kayo sa weather. At saka mga vitamins, kagaya ng vitamin C, multivitamins, at saka vitamin D. At saka kung may high blood kayo, magdala din na po kayo ng yung monitoring kit, blood pressure monitoring, at saka yung pang check ng yung sugar. Dito naman po sa facility na ito, bago kayo iakyat sa inyong room, mag-fill out kayo ng health declaration para malaman nila kung anong mga gamot ang iniinom nyo. Every day, may mga nurse na nag-check sa inyo kung wala kayong dalang mga gadgets pang check ng blood pressure nyo at saka sugar, i-check naman po nila. So, in our case, may dala po kami. So, we just tell them kung anong resulta ng mga pag-check namin. At saka binibigyan din po kayo ng vitamins every day. So, maganda naman po itong facility ito. May libreng pagkain po to. Breakfast, lunch, merienda, and dinner. So, ngayon, kung nasa strict diet kayo, yun lang ang kalaban nyo. Dahil ang pagkain dito is for everybody. So, laging masarap. Like adobo, menudo, afritada, yung lutong gulay na may gata. So, kaya kung strict diet kayo, magdala kayo ng veggies nyo. Hindi ko lang alam kung paanong mag-order ng food dito. Siguro, dahil very strict sila sa paghahatid ng pagkain. Kasi nga, dahil provided nga yung pagkain dito. So, mas maganda, bago kayo pumunta dito, tanong nyo sa kanilang website or email niyo sila kung paano yung pagkain, kung strict diet kayo, para malaman din nyo kung pwede kayo mag-order sa labas. Yun lang po. So, ngayon, magdala lang po kayo ng emergency kit nyo kung sakasakali. Dahil at least meron kayong kukunin, hindi na kailangan mag-utos pa para, pakibili nyo kami ng ganon or pahinging ganon. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much. Kung meron pa po akong maisip, i-add ko po sa next time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good afternoon mga kabalen. Today is March 13, our day 7. And today we just got they just knocked on our door and they said to get ready and pack now because we are going home. I'm just so excited. Anyway, so we are just waiting for them to pick us up right now, and we're about ready. We just packed our things, and so we are ready to go home. Yay. Anyway, I will be compiling all my videos because some people are asking how to register here at the Pinas Balik Pampanga, and how to register here, and I will be putting that on my next vlog, which is and also some people are asking if they're US citizen, how can they go back to the Philippines. Actually, I'm not the best person to ask, but I will let you know based on our experience what are the documents that I prepared. But you can go to Bureau of Tourism or Bureau of Immigration for the for all the documents needed that you need in order to go to the Philippines. And also for me, what I did is kept calling Philippine consulate in San Francisco because every week, their protocols are changing. Anyway, goodbye for now, and I will let you know. Please check my vlog, my YouTube channel, Mrs. Kabalen. I'll see you there. Thank you. Bye-bye.